Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Asmira binti Zarani, matrix number KA18044. So today we will discuss question number 2. Okay, for the question number 2 is about the contact lens, and then the example is an example application that related to the optical properties. Okay, so the properties required for the eyes lenses is easy manufacturing, must be transparent, low density, reasonable price, biocompatible, medium fracture toughness, and also the low elastic modulus. So we have to identify and explain, justify your selections based on the scoring that given. Okay, the scoring is either 1, 3 or 5. Okay, this is table 2. 1, 3 or 5, which is the 1 is the worst, meanwhile the 5 is the most best. Okay, and then for the solutions, okay, for the solutions, it gives the material for the PMMA, PC, PS, PVC, PET, and also the PA. And then for the fracture of toughness, it must have the medium fracture of toughness. So it means that the highest fracture of toughness and also the lowest fracture of toughness will be get score 1, meanwhile the medium will get score 5. Okay, so for the density, it must have the low density, which means the one that have the high density will get score of 5, meanwhile the lowest density will got score, the one will higher density will got score of 1, meanwhile the one with the low density will got score of 5. Okay, for the easy manufacturing, the one that is most easiest will get score of 5, meanwhile the one is less easiest will got score as 4. And the price, it must have the reasonable price, and then the one that have the lowest or the highest price will got score as 1, and then the one that have the reasonable price will got score as 5, and the others will got score as 3. For the transparency, the one that have the opaque will get score of 1 because it must be transparent, and the one that is transparent to the opaque will get score of 3. And then for the elastic modulus, it must have the lower elastic modulus, thus the one that have the highest value of the elastic modulus will get score of 1, and then the one that with the medium with the lower will got score of 5, and then the others will got score of 3 as 3. And then the total score is for the PMMA, it will have the total score of 24. For the PC, it will have the 22 score. PS 16, PVC 16, PET 22, and also the PA is 12. Okay, so the one that I choose is the PMMA. Okay, this is my reason. That's because the highest recorded mark or score is by the PMMA with the 24 score, which is it fulfill most of the material required for the lenses. Meanwhile, for the PVC and the PS and also the PA, it scores 16, 16, and also 12. And then for the PC and also PET, they are recorded the same score with the 22 score, but the PET must be cancelled because it is opaque. Okay, hence we can determine the PMMA have the most desired properties with the score of 24, and then the PMMA perform best performance through the easy manufacturing, reasonable price, transparency, low density, suitable elastic modulus, and also the medium fracture toughness. Hence this is a score, and then PMMA is the best material for the eyes lenses. That's all from me. Thank you.